Hello, Mr. Kenney. Thank you for taking time to answer my questions. My first question is, what is your job title?
Hi, my name's Dustin Kenney, and I work for Blue Ridge Community College as an IT support specialist.
How long have you had this title?
I've worked at Blue Ridge in this role for about a year and a half now.
What is one interesting thing about your job?
I think that the most interesting thing is that we get to work with a lot of diverse people in this particular role at BRCC, and we're able to work with a lot of interesting equipment and technologies as well, anywhere from network to desktop equipment and server equipment. So there's a lot of variety.
What is the hardest thing you've done at this job?
I think that the hardest part about this particular role is sometimes working with unhappy customers or students or learners. I think that trying to find a way to make them feel at ease with technology is probably one of the most difficult things to manage sometimes.
How much education do you need for this job?
For this particular role, I started out with a community college degree. But of course, the more education you get, the more flexible you'll be in this type of role. So be thinking about a bachelor's degree or a master's degree. If you can do that, I think it'll serve you well to climb in the information technology role.
And last but not least, Mr. Kenney, what does an average day on your job look like?
I think the average day can be very different. Some days you might be looking at network issues, and some days you might be at your desk answering support calls or fixing things that you can remotely through the network, or you might be out in a classroom imaging workstations or performing diagnostics on one of those machines to see what is wrong. So I think if you're in this type of environment, you might find that your days are very, very different, which is good for people like me. I guess the last thing I would like to share is just make sure that you're always learning. The information technology field moves very fast and there's always something new to learn.